Yeah, this session will deal with how to work with the alter table. So alter table can be used to add, delete, or modify columns in an existing table. Alter table is also used to add, drop various constraints that's associated with an existing table. Now let us first take the instance of an alter table with respect to adding a new column into it, specific to a table. So syntax would be alter table, then followed by the table name, then the add keyword, then the column name that you declare, and the data type. For instance, we can take an example. Alter for an existing table called customer, we have to alter the table. So the syntax will be as alter table customers, and we are intended to add a new field that is email. So the syntax will be add email and the character type, data type that is WCAG 255. So this is a specific syntax used for adding a new field into an already existing table. And here we have taken the instance of a customer and in which we have added a new field called email with the WCAG 255. So next instance would be we are dropping this particular email that we have added previously. So the syntax will be alter table followed by table name, then drop column. Column keyword is compulsory, then followed by column name. So here we have added the email. So the syntax should be alter table customers, drop column email. Now we are taking another instance we are interested to. So far we were dealing with adding and dropping where we need to alter the field type now. So here we have already added this email and it is work. We can convert it into int. Email can be converted into int or anything else, so, or nvirchar max also. So in that case, we have to put that syntax as alter table customers, alter column email, and data type nvirchar 250. So here the syntax would be as such as we will discuss just now. Just copy the syntax and we'll just paste it over here. The equivalent part of the alter. So here we are to give it as alter customer. We are converting it from vircha to 52 in vircha max. So this is how we are working with the alter when we are interested to alter the field specific to a particular table. Now let us go to revisit the Manime Studio and try to execute each of this. First we add a new field. So we copy, revisit the Manime Studio. Yeah, so here we already have got catalog database with persons table with person ID or taken primary key, last name, first name, age, salary, and email. So here already email is already available. So first let us drop. So use catalog go alter table persons drop column email, and email is actually int form. So we'll drop it. So drop email. So we can see it's got executed successfully. So when we refresh this person table, email has to disappear. Now see the email has gone away. Now our next thing will be we'll be re-adding it again once again. So add column email, and we'll in this chance we'll just name it as nvircha max. So when we are adding a field, there is no need to declare the column statement. So alter table person add email vircha max. So now the email will be added up with the vircha max property. When we execute, a command has got executed successfully, and the person tree we refresh, then email will be residing just after the salary. We'll give a refresh columns as the email has come up with the nvircha max. Now we have added. Now let us alter this email to So we have to name it as alter column email to varchar 255. So now we can see that its email is adventure max. Now that will get converted into transformed into varchar 255. So when we execute, so we can see the command has got executed successfully. And when we refresh the person tree, this nvirchar max should get converted into varchar 255. So we reopen the tree again, see varchar 255. So this is how adding a new column, altering the column, dropping the column, everything is possible. Now we'll drop this column permanently. So drop column email. While dropping the column, there is no need to specify the data type. That we have to take in consideration. When execute, the command has got it successfully. So email has been removed from the person permanently. So this email that is available here will disappear once we give a refresh. We reopen, so email is no more available. So thus we have dealt all the three parts of alter. One is altering the table by adding a new field, then modifying the field, then dropping the field.